The stair was creaking. Wait until you find out what was under it. Like and subscribe for a chance to win $1,000. Wilbur lived in a creaky house, but the third stair squeaked loudest like a banshee's wail. One stormy night, he heard it groan without his step. Heart pounding, he grabbed his bat, creeping downstairs. The creak came again, sharp and deliberate. A burglar? In the dark, he saw a shadow move. He swung, then stopped. It was his grandson, Tim, sneaking cookies from the jar. The boy grinned, crumbs on his face. "Sorry, Grandpa, stair gave me away," Wilbur laughed, tension gone. The creaky stair wasn't haunted. It was the house's snitch, guarding their bond. They shared the cookies under the flickering light.